Hello friends, myself Shweta Bhatnagar. We are back again. Student, as I told you in my previous video, I will provide you the NCERT solution of class 9th maths. So, today we discuss exercise number 1.2. Student, first question of exercise number 1.2 is of true false. Statement is every irrational number is a real number. Student, we have to discuss this point. Every rational number is a real number. This is true or false? Student, this diagram represents real number, rational number and irrational number. So, according to this diagram, student, real number are the set of rational number and irrational number. Real number combination होते हैं rational number और irrational number का. So, student, every rational number can be a real number, but reverse is not possible, as I discussed in the previous video, student. So, this statement is true. As you see here, student, every irrational number can be a real number. So, second statement, every point on the number line is of the form of root m, square root of m, where m is a natural number. Student, on the number line, in the center we have 0 and पॉजिटिव नंबर इन द राइट हैंड साइड एंड नेगेटिव नंबर इन द लेफ्ट हैंड साइड. सो हम देख सकते हैं इस नंबर लाइन पे स्टूडेंट स्टेटमेंट को चेक कर सकते हैं. एवरी पॉइंट ऑन द नंबर लाइन इज ऑफ द फॉर्म ऑफ रूट एम. एवरी पॉइंट, हर एक पॉइंट क्या रूट एम की फॉर्म में है यहाँ पर? नहीं स्टूडेंट. लाइक 4 क्या है? 2 है हमारा 4. ओके स्टूडेंट, आगे हम जैसे देखेंगे और राइट हैंड साइड पे 3 इज इक्वल्स टू रूट 9. सो दीज आर द नंबर ऑफ फॉर्म ऑफ रूट एम, स्क्वायर रूट ऑफ एम, बट एवरी नंबर आर नॉट. some numbers can be possible but every point cannot be possible. So student, this statement is false. And another point is that student, not any negative number can be the square root of any natural number. Okay student, so this statement is false. Every real number is an irrational number. So student, this diagram represent real number, rational number and irrational number. So we check this statement through this diagram student. Every real number is an irrational number. ये real number है हमारे पास, ये set है irrational number का. So student, every real number is not possible because these number rational and these number are irrational. So student, every real number is not possible. Some are possible but every real number is not possible. That is why this statement is false. So student, first question इसी के साथ हमारा complete होता है. Now we move to the next question. Let's see second question. Question number 2 है student, are the square root of all positive integers irrational number? So student, are the square root of all positive integers? Students, we have all positive integers on the right hand side on the number line and so on. So we can check here student, are the square root of all positive integers irrational? Square root of all positive integers are not. Some are possible because we have square root of 4, we get 2. Square root of 9, we get 3. Square root of 16, we get 4. But what we get? Square root of 2. Square root of 2 will be a rational number. It can be a irrational number or it is a irrational number. Square root of 2 will be a irrational number. Square root of 3 will be a irrational number also. So student, this statement is not possible. Are the square root of all positive integers irrational? No. If not, give an example of the square root of a number that is rational number. So these are the example. These are the example of square root of a number that is irrational. Square root of 4 will be a rational number. Square root of 9 will be a rational number. Square root of 16 will be a rational number. Okay student, so this was the second question. Now we move to the next question. Question number 3. Student, show how root 5 can be represented on the number line. स्टूडेंट रूट 5 को हमें नंबर लाइन पर शो करना है. So we have, this is 2 unit and this is 1 unit. Student, 2 unit is on x axis and 1 unit is on y axis. Student, this is base 2 unit and this is height 2 unit. So according to Pythagoras theorem, hypotenuse will be root 5. How? Hypotenuse square is equals to base square plus height square. Student, so hypotenuse square is equals to base square 2 square plus height square 1 square means. H will be root 5. Hypotenuse हमारा हो जाएगा root 5 student. So we have to draw root 5 on the number line student. With the help of compass, by taking this on this point, we plot an arc. ओके स्टूडेंट, हम एक आर्क लेंगे, आर्क लगाएंगे इससे, तो यहाँ पर कहीं आपका वो कट करेगा. सो स्टूडेंट, दिस डिस्टेंस विल बी रूट 5. बाय दिस वे वी कैन ड्रॉ और वी कैन प्लॉट अ इरेशनल नंबर ऑन द नंबर लाइन. स्टूडेंट, इसी के साथ हमारी ये एक्सरसाइज कंप्लीट होती है स्टूडेंट. सो इफ़ यू गॉट द कंसेप्ट, इफ़ यू अंडरस्टैंड दिस एक्सरसाइज स्टूडेंट, प्लीज़ लाइक, शेयर एंड सब्सक्राइब माई वीडियो. एंड अगर आपको कोई अनदर टॉपिक आपको समझना है तो प्लीज़ राइट इन द कमेंट सेक्शन स्टूडेंट. थैंक यू.